What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I will be sharing with you how you can send money using the Remitly mobile app. And guys, this is relatively easy to do. And if you choose to use my referral link in the description of this video, you'll get $25 whenever you send your first transfer of $100 or more. So with that said, let's get started, right? So when you're in the mobile app, what you want to do is select send. In my case, I have multiple recipients added already. So in your case, you're going to add new recipient, right? So what will happen during this process is that it's going to ask you the amount of money that you want to send. Let's say $100. It's going to show you the estimate amount of money that you'll be sending, right? Then you select continue. Here you have two options to send money. You can do express or economy. This is up to you, right? So I'm going to go with express. Here you can choose between bank deposit, cash pickup, or debit card deposit. Debit card is the fastest option, right? So I'm going to go with debit card. When you go with debit card, the money is instant. So here you would specify the card number that you want to send the money to. However, I have a card on file already, so I'm going to go back and then select my recipient so it doesn't take me through this step again, right? So you get it? All right, so let's step back. I don't want to confuse you. So I'm going to close this. So here when I select send now, I'm just going to select my existing card information. So here I'm going to specify the amount that I want to send, which is $100, and then select continue. Then I have several payment methods on file. In your case, you'll select the option that you want to use and pay. You can use Apple Pay, other credit card, or you can even pay with your bank account, right? However, that is a slower option. So I'll be going with debit card. I hope it doesn't ask me for the PIN because God knows I don't know where that is right now. Not the PIN but the CVV, which is a 3-digit number at the back of your card or at the front. So here I'm just going to select send money, and you can see that the money will be available 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Now it's 10:56. So it's going to be available almost instantaneously. So here I'm just going to select send money, and that's it. My money has been sent successfully. So now let's go over to my bank account and check, right? So I'm open up my NCB app right here. Now let's view details. And you can see that I received the money instantly. So it's 9:56, and when I sent it, it was about 9:56, right? So that is how you can send money fast to Jamaica. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.